Okay, so this is, I believe, the second class, right? Of this introduction to Microsoft Office. Last time we were working on Microsoft Word, the first application. We're still gonna continue with that because there are a lot of things that we can do with Microsoft Word. I only introduced the basic things last class. One of the things was how to create a Microsoft Word document, right? And we type some information. But how do you open that again when you save it in your local computer? Remember that we save it on the documents folder? If you save it in the documents folder, you will need to go. Hopefully, you could find it. Are you in the same computer that you were working last time? Yes. Good. That's good. Okay, we're gonna go to Finder. This is the file explorer of the Mac computer. So I'm gonna click on that. So the Finders finds all the recent files that we work. But hopefully, if you go to the Documents folder, you also find your Microsoft Word document with your name, right? Is it there still? Good. Okay. Then, in order to open it, we double click to it. Double click, double click. Maybe try Reasons. Probably you save it in another place. But what's is not good? No. Is all document. But you created last time? This is the same computer?
Yes.
Okay, maybe another way is go to Launchpad.
Can you
Go
do it?
to
Can you search it?
yeah, that's another way. Let's find Microsoft Word. Maybe move to the next one. With the field, you can use the field. Open Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Word recognizes the last files you open, hopefully.
Yeah, most of it don't need.
Hopefully you save
What
it.
was last Monday, Thursday?
It should be here.
Yeah.
Is that up?
There it is.
There you go.
Yay.
Good. Okay?
I have a question, because when I opened it, I didn't do this last time, why didn't it do that this time?
Maybe somebody opened your, see,
Yeah.
this is public.
How do I change
What
it?
happened?
Oh, that's your name, right?
Yeah, but I
Oh,
don't
actually,
share.
actually, it's easy fix here. There you go.
Oh, okay, I should have,
There you
I was
go.
not here.
There you go.
Okay, but that was strange.
I opened mine up and it looked like so tiny. What do I have?
Oh, you double click to open it. Double click. There you go. You want to open
Are you sure?
it? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There you go. So everyone open the file, right? Good. So let's see what's. There you go. Okay, so that's one way to open it. You find it directly in the location. For example, if you know that you save it on documents, you double click on it. But another way, if you don't know maybe where you save it last time, what you do, you go to Launchpad and find the Microsoft Word application. So a Microsoft Word application recognizes the last or recent files you were working here. Okay? And then you double click and then you open the same. So there are different ways. Another way to find it is that you need to remember the name of the file, and as one student mentioned, you can search for it, right? So you may go to the search bar here and type like your name. If you remember, oh, it's with my name and something. Oh, here it is, Microsoft Word and my name. So that's another way, right? So let me see. And there you go. So there are 3 ways to open it, right?
What was the third one?
The third way is in your computer you have a
Oh, Finder.
finder, like a find
You
file.
have to know exactly what you're looking
But that's more difficult because you need to remember
What?
the name of the file. But if you have an idea, let me try the Launchpad 2. Maybe the Launchpad 2 also works, but I don't know. No, the Launchpad only works for searching application.
Where's Launchpad?
Launchpad is next to the
Oh,
Finder.
that one, the waffle thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
here like the waffle.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you want to find any file, is the search icon here. Any file within your computer.
So if you made a correction, how do you save this?
If you make a correction, okay, let me open my file again. So everyone has the file open, right? Okay. Yeah, let's say that you're still working, you add more text or something. How do you save it again? You only press the save button here at the top. Everyone has this save button.
Which one is that?
This is like a disk, floppy disk next to the home. Can anybody see it?
Yeah.
Okay, click on that. And this time, it doesn't ask you where to save it. Because it remembers the location and it's only saving the changes. Okay? It's only saving the changes. Another way to save is you go to the top that says File, Menu File at the top, and Save. But this is more difficult, right? It requires more steps, but that's another way, File and Save the file. But we have a shortcut here next to the Home button that allows to save it. Okay? Sometimes you may not have this option here. Notice that we have a drop-down button here. We can activate the save button or disable the save button. So if sometimes you don't have it there, you may need to put it as a shortcut here in the drop-down. Okay? So make sure you have it activated. So mine, it changed the order, but...
What are you hitting to get the drop down? What are you hitting to get the drop down?
The drop-down is... can you see it here? Is the last option here? This is the...
Option?
You don't have a drop-down?
No.
I have 3 dots, it's in the dotted thing.
Yeah.
You have a 3 dots
3
instead?
dots, it's in the same, it's in the dot thing, it's not a drop down.
Okay, well, 3 dots, but you have the same options? Okay, so that's something different maybe in that computer.
So 3 dots?
Yeah. Just to enable or disable these quick buttons. So those are customized quick access toolbar. Okay? So is everyone good? So, okay, last time we were working with this, just typing information here. We were working with list. We were doing how to highlight, right? How to highlight text. Remember, if you are in the margin, you can click once and you can highlight one line at a time, right? If you click twice, you highlight the entire paragraph. You remember those skills, right? So once is one line, but you need to be in the margin, right? In the margin.
I bet my screen just went dark.
Your screen is dark again. So go to the settings, system settings, and go to appearance and make it light.
No, it just like went really like,
My whole screen went dark.
Oh, the screen?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I didn't do anything. Yeah.
Like shut down?
Yeah, well, it's like this.
Oh, it was the
I didn't even touch that. No, okay.
Yeah.
Which settings did you go to for the parents? Is it here? Oh, it's on this side. I'm looking here. Oh. Oh, this is different than this side. Interesting.
You are in general settings.
Oh,
Those are
I
the
see.
settings. General have more settings.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's just like, yeah.
Okay. So let's continue. Probably that's it. What we're gonna do here, because we're gonna do another activity. But I'm gonna delete this one. Do you have this one? Do you type this one? No, right? I'm gonna delete it. Notice if you don't have more space, it automatically creates another page, right? If you go down, it creates another page. But if you don't want that page because it's empty, you only press delete. Delete again, and that page goes away, right? Because I don't need it, because I don't need to go to one more page, okay? And you save the changes. If you made any changes, you click on the save button. We're gonna leave it like that, okay? This example is only to show how to open your document. So we're gonna close it. We're gonna close this. Since you saved it already, let's click on the red button to close the application. In a Mac, Microsoft Word is not really closed. When you close it, notice that the word is at the top. It's because it's not really closed. If you want to close it properly, you click on that again and then click on quit Word. I don't know why is that behavior on Macs, but when you close it in a Windows computer, when you close it, it's closed. And this one is not really closed. I don't know why. Okay. In order to work with the next activity, so I'm going to stop. I'm recording this video, so I'm going to stop this.